How to unsave pins on Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Go ahead and open up Pinterest. Then go to your profile page. And as you can see, I have this anime board right here. Say for example, I want to unsave a pin from this board. So all what I have to do is click and hold on that pin, and as you can see, it gives me this pop-up menu with options. So all what you need to do while still holding on the pin is to move to the pencil icon, which is the edit one, and then let go. It will give you this new window, which you can see midway down that it says delete this pin, which is an option that you need to click on, and it will give you this confirmation box at the bottom that tells you that if you delete this pin, it'll be gone for good and those who've saved it won't be able to view it. But anyway, all what you have to do is just click on delete, which is the red button, and the pin will be gone and unsaved, as you can see. So that was it for this video. That's how to unsave pins on Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.